Ito na!
Another bike club showcased their prized possessions at the Central Plaza of Eastwood City in the disc for another leg in the longest-running club-centered motoring activity in Philippine motoring history. Stoplight TV's Motor Wednesdays. And this time, we featured the Philippine Suzuki Riders Club. The Philippine Suzuki Riders Club is the only officially recognized bike club by Suzuki Philippines, and more than 30 bikes were displayed at the venue. Most of the club members were present to not only enjoy the activities, but also to take pleasure in each other's company.
Okay, guys, I'm with the Philippine Suzuki Riders Club. As you can see, ang konti nila. Siguro na daming members sa club ito. And I'm with the President, Francis. Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Sir, napakadami niyo namang members. Ilan ba kayo totally in the Philippine Suzuki Riders Club?
Bali, 160 kami lahat. Lahat ng chapters na yun. So we have chapters in Laguna, Las Piñas, Batangas, Quezon, and Bicol.
So all over the Philippines, meron kayong mga members.
Meron na.
Gaano katagal na ba itong club na ito?
Bali, 2 years na po kami ngayon. We started in October 2004. Only 8 members lang. And then, yun, nag-grow kami ng 100.
Baka konti sila. And